In this video, I'll show you how to restore your data from a backup in QuickBooks Online Advanced, so you can roll your company back to an earlier snapshot after a major mistake or unwanted changes. Start by signing in to the correct company, then click the gear icon in the top right and look for Backup Company. This opens the backup area where snapshots are listed by date and time, so identify the restore point that's just before the change you want to undo. On the backup you want, click the drop-down arrow and choose Restore. Then follow the confirmation prompts. Carefully restoring replaces your current company data with the selected backup, so double-check the timestamp to avoid rolling back too far. Once you confirm, QuickBooks begins the restore, and when it completes, your file reflects exactly what existed at that backup time. If you don't see Backup Company, it's usually because backups aren't enabled, you're missing the right permissions, or your plan doesn't include the feature. After restoring, review key reports to confirm everything looks right. Subscribe for more QuickBooks Advanced guides that save you from costly mistakes.